Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 86.15% since we first categorized BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 34 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.53% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase within that trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 140.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 75.73% and 158.97%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 63.51%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 26.47% to positive 142.96% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $5.83 and $19.27. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Strong Day for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Wednesday, rising 7.6% to $7.93. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 7.6% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, rising from $7.37 to $7.93. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.01%, ranging from a day low of $7.42 to a day high of $7.94. The price has been oscillating during this period, reflecting a total gain of 7.6% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, a positive technical indicator, with an additional 14 million shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 88 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $699.36 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 23.38%, or $2.42, below the 52-week high, and 50.81%, or $8.19, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated, recognized by its ticker BBAI, has recently garnered attention for its promising contracts in the artificial intelligence defense sector. These contracts have the potential to position the company for significant growth, although it is currently grappling with considerable losses. Investors are questioning whether BBAI can transform these opportunities into genuine profits, which is essential for maintaining its stock performance. Additionally, BBAI is ramping up its global expansion efforts, particularly in the Middle East, where the prospect for lucrative government contracts exists. However, securing these contracts is never assured, and this uncertainty could affect investor sentiment in the short term. Despite demonstrating an impressive 78% increase year-to-date and a notable 23.5% rise last week, there are concerns that the stock's rally may be driven more by excitement than by solid fundamentals. As the artificial intelligence market continues to grow, companies like BBAI and its competitors, such as Veritone and Innodata, are competing for investor attention and capital. In the short term, volatility may persist as investors evaluate the company's ability to sustain this growth trajectory amidst ongoing losses. In the long run, effectively securing contracts and transitioning from pilot projects to profitable revenue streams could significantly boost investor confidence and drive the stock price upward. Nevertheless, skepticism remains, and the success of BBAI's initiatives will be crucial in determining its future valuation. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On the 15th of October 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also gave BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $7.58 and $5.76. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been identified, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 17, 2025, and to date, it has decreased by 3.53%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal emerged 173 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 60 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages triggered a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $7.56, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is characterized by significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and, due to a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 520 cents between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 7.01%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 11.06%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.07. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $7.95. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $7.56. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sell of 6,524 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sell of 5,945 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, McAleen and Kevin conducted an insider sell of 3,113 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider buy of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC conducted an insider buy of 65,822 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 92.707. Overall, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 135,474,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.53. Reflecting a decrease of 5.05%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of July, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by 16.7 cents and begin trading at $7.76. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.